The world is filled with secrets that can shock, amaze, and inspire us. From animals with strange abilities to natural wonders beyond imagination, every fact tells a story of survival and mystery. These are not just random details. They are glimpses into how incredible life really is. Let's explore 15 fascinating facts that will open your eyes to the hidden wonders of nature and science. The blue whale is the largest animal ever known to exist, and every part of its body is massive. Its tongue alone can weigh as much as an adult elephant. This huge muscle is used to push thousands of gallons of water out of its mouth while filtering food. When a blue whale feeds, it swallows entire schools of tiny shrimp-like creatures called krill in a single gulp. Scientists estimate that one whale can eat up to 4 tons of food a day. Despite its enormous size, the blue whale lives peacefully, feeding mostly on the smallest creatures in the sea. Its tongue, the size of a truck, is a reminder of nature's extremes. Truly, this gentle giant shows us how size and grace can live together. Every heartbeat and every breath of a whale reminds us of the ocean's greatness. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, but they carry a secret that sets them apart from other big cats. Unlike lions or tigers, cheetahs cannot roar. Instead, they make sounds similar to those of house cats, including purring, chirping, and meowing. Their unique voice is due to differences in their throat structure. While they lack the power of a roar, their purrs are just as meaningful, used to communicate with cubs and signal comfort. It is strange to imagine a predator so fierce-sounding, so gentle, yet this is what makes cheetahs unique. They remind us that strength isn't always loud. It can be silent too. Cheetahs prove that speed, grace, and elegance are their weapons, not noise. In the savannah, their purrs are whispers of survival. Their silence in the wild is as powerful as any roar. Bananas, one of the world's favorite fruits, hide a glowing secret. Under ultraviolet black light, ripe bananas shine a bright blue. This happens because chemicals in their skin break down as they ripen, creating fluorescent molecules. Scientists use this strange glow to study fruit ripening and food safety. For us, it looks like magic ordinary fruit suddenly shining in the dark. This effect makes bananas not just food, but also a fascinating science experiment. Imagine holding a banana that glows like neon when exposed to UV light. It proves that even the simplest things in nature hold hidden beauty. Bananas are more than just snacks. They are mysteries wrapped in yellow skins. Their glow is a reminder that wonder often hides in plain sight. Truly, they show us that science and nature are always connected. When it comes to fingerprints, most people think humans are unique. But lemurs, small primates from Madagascar, have prints so similar to ours that they could confuse crime investigators. Their fingerprints share the same loops and whorls that make each mark special. This surprising fact shows how closely connected humans are to other primates. Lemurs use their hands to climb, grip, and survive in the forests, and their prints play a natural role in helping them. Imagine a detective mistaking lemur prints for human ones at a crime scene. It sounds like a movie plot, but it's possible. Lemurs remind us that humans are part of the animal family, not separate from it. Their fingerprints are proof of shared history in evolution. Every handprint tells a story millions of years old. Flamingos are famous for their bright pink feathers, but even their group name is colorful. When many flamingos gather, the group is called a flamboyance. The word perfectly fits their striking appearance, as they often stand in large numbers, looking like a sea of pink. These birds get their color from the food they eat, which is rich in natural pigments found in shrimp and algae. Without this diet, flamingos would actually be gray or white. Their flamboyance is not just in name, but in sight. It's one of nature's most dazzling shows. Seeing hundreds together is like watching a living artwork. Flamingos remind us that beauty can be collective as well as individual. A single bird is elegant, but a flamboyance is unforgettable. Truly, they are fashion icons of the wild. Octopuses are already strange with 3 hearts and 8 arms, but their blood adds another twist. It's blue. Unlike human blood, which uses iron, octopus blood contains copper, making it blue in color. This adaptation helps them survive in the cold, low oxygen depths of the ocean. When their environment gets tough, the copper-based blood keeps oxygen flowing. This unusual design shows how nature tailors survival for every creature. The blue blood makes octopuses seem almost alien, fitting for animals known for intelligence and camouflage. In myths, octopuses are often seen as sea monsters, and their blue blood only adds to the mystery. Science proves the truth is even stranger than fiction. Their blood is not just strange, it's a key to their survival. Octopuses are proof that life thrives in endless forms. Camels are called ships of the desert, but many people misunderstand their humps. They don't store water there, they store fat. This fat is broken down into energy and water when food is scarce, allowing camels to survive for weeks in harsh conditions. Their humps can shrink and even lean to one side when reserves are used up. Along with their humps, camels have thick eyelashes, strong legs, and wide feet to handle desert life. These adaptations make them perfectly suited for survival in dry, sandy environments. Camels remind us that nature always has hidden tricks. Their humps are not water tanks, but they are life-saving storage units. This myth-breaking fact shows that survival is about energy, not illusions. Truly, camels are masters of desert endurance. Shrimps may be tiny, but their bodies work in fascinating ways. Scientists discovered that a shrimp's heart beats faster when it eats food. This reaction is linked to the energy their body needs to digest. For creatures so small, every heartbeat counts, and food sparks an immediate change. Shrimps are also unusual because their heart is located in their head, not their chest. These little details make them some of the ocean's most interesting creatures. Watching a shrimp's heart race is like seeing life itself speed up. It reminds us that even the smallest animals have incredible systems. Shrimps may not look powerful, but their hearts show their energy. They are tiny, yet full of vitality. Truly, they prove that life is amazing at every scale. The sun feels so close when its rays warm our skin, but it is actually about 93 million miles away. Despite this distance, its light reaches Earth in just 8 minutes. Without the sun, life would not exist, plants wouldn't grow, and Earth would freeze in darkness. It's a burning ball of gas, mostly hydrogen and helium, with a core so hot it powers itself through nuclear fusion. In 1 second, the sun releases more energy than humanity has used in all of history. Yet to us, it appears as a golden circle in the sky. This contrast reminds us how scale can deceive. The sun is distant but essential, ordinary but extraordinary. Every sunrise is proof of its endless gift. Truly, it is the heart of our solar system. Ostriches are the largest birds on land, and their eyes are just as remarkable. Each eye is about the size of a billiard ball, making it bigger than the ostrich's own brain. Their enormous eyes give them sharp vision, helping them spot predators from far away. In open grasslands, this eyesight is crucial for survival. While their brain is small, ostriches make up for it with strong legs that can run up to 70 kilometers per hour. It's proof that survival is not always about intelligence, but about the right tools. Their big eyes and fast legs are perfect for their environment. Ostriches may not outthink predators, but they can outsee and outrun them. Truly, they are proof that nature balances every weakness with strength. There is a room so quiet that people can hear their own heartbeat inside it. Built with soundproofing technology, the world's quietest room absorbs nearly all sound. In this silence, even small noises like blood flowing or joints moving become noticeable. Most people cannot last more than a few minutes because the silence feels overwhelming. The experience shows us how much we depend on sound in daily life. Without it, the brain creates its own noises, leading to dizziness or discomfort. This strange fact reveals the importance of balance in our senses. Silence can be just as powerful as noise. The quietest room reminds us that too much of anything, even peace, can feel unnatural. Truly, sound shapes the way we live and think. Caterpillars may look like simple crawling insects, but their bodies are surprisingly complex. A single caterpillar has more muscles than a human being. These muscles allow them to bend, stretch, and crawl in ways that look almost like waves. Their flexible bodies help them climb plants and escape predators. This incredible strength is hidden in a tiny, fragile-looking form. As they grow, they shed their skin multiple times before transforming into butterflies. Their bodies are designed for change and movement, showing how nature prepares them for the next stage. Caterpillars remind us that power is not always obvious at first glance. Hidden inside weakness can be incredible strength. Truly, they are proof that transformation begins with unseen potential. Water is fish life, yet some species can survive outside of it for days. These fish use special adaptations, like lungs or skin, that absorbs oxygen from the air. Mud skippers, for example, can walk on land and breathe through their skin. This ability helps them survive when water dries up or when they need to move to new areas. Watching a fish crawl on land feels strange, but it is real. These creatures remind us that nature always experiments with survival. Fish that breathe air are living bridges between water and land. They prove that life refuses to be limited. Truly, they show us how creativity fuels evolution. Clouds look soft and light, floating above us in the sky. But a single cumulus cloud can weigh more than 1,000,000 pounds. The reason is that clouds are made of billions of tiny droplets of water. Together, they carry a massive weight while still floating because of rising warm air. It's hard to imagine something so heavy drifting so gently. This fact reminds us that appearances can be deceiving. What looks fluffy and light is actually powerful and immense. Clouds are floating giants above our heads. They remind us of the balance between gravity and nature's forces. Truly, the sky carries more than beauty, it carries strength. Crocodiles are fearsome predators, but one of their greatest strengths is hidden in their mouths. Unlike humans, who only get 2 sets of teeth, crocodiles can keep growing new teeth throughout their lives. Some replace thousands of teeth as they age. This constant renewal ensures they are always ready to hunt and survive. Their sharp bite, combined with this endless supply of teeth, makes them nearly unstoppable in rivers and swamps. It's one of the many reasons crocodiles have survived since the time of dinosaurs. They are living reminders of ancient power. Crocodiles prove that resilience is built into every part of their bodies. Truly, they are masters of survival through adaptation. From the giant tongue of a blue whale to the endless teeth of crocodiles, these 15 facts reveal the genius of nature. Every creature, big or small, carries secrets that surprise us. They remind us that the world is full of wonders we often overlook. Stay curious, because every discovery is another step into the extraordinary story of life.